I was craving nachos, but I didn't have chips, but I did have flour, salt, and a little time to do a science experiment. So the hypothesis was, if I add starch to my flour mixture, it will make my food more crispy crunchy. So I have one flour mixture with plain water, one flour mixture with rice water. I try to get the consistency as similar as possible. And I know it's not perfect, but I needed to differentiate the two, so I added herbs to the one that was rice water to test them out. I separated them, and this is the plain one. Not really a lot of stretch going on. Very pliable though. It tasted delicious, even though it was just plain. This is the herby one, or the rice water one, and it had a greater stretch to it, but for the most part, it was kind of similar. The taste, about the same. They were too similar for me though, so I decided I'm gonna add cornstarch and see if that changes anything. And to be transparent, I mixed both of the mixtures together because I'm a scallywag, and I added 2 scoops of cornstarch to this mixture because I am a scallywag. I try to keep the consistency consistent, but this one had a hard time spreading even with the same amount of water, and it was kind of ashy as well. So I decided, okay, let me just add a little more water to see if that mitigates any of the issues. It did help it spread better, but it was still very ashy, and so I just gave up because I was tired. By the end of this, I didn't even eat nachos, but I did persist through this experiment. I cut up the 3 tortillas and fried them up to see if frying would make any difference. In texture, they all tasted exactly the same, but I did have a sweet surprise because the sesame seed one, these are actually so good. I'm glad that I actually made these. It's not super crispy, but it's really delicious. These are the clear winner. Next time I will be making all of them with sesame seeds. My name is Ajay, and this is what I ate.